Hey guys, welcome to a new short video which is a Grok alternative. Grok is still allowing us to generate nice images and video footages, but the video resolution has been reduced for free version of or the free users. So what are the best alternative to Grok? The number one alternative is good, but the number three is one of the best. So I prepared a couple of simple prompt just to minimize my time, and here the first prompt, and submitted on a new AI which is AI, and generated to try the platform a couple of times. So here as you can see, the quality of the video, the motion, the instruction, it follows really well. But again, at the end, it's leaving its branding. That's good. And it is also prepared by Grok third-party API. So Grok Imagine Video, basically. And this one, the version B is Pixverse, version 5.6. I actually did not like this because of the plant is actually requested to create is a ZZ plant, and it's not a ZZ plant. Again, I tried with a detailed prompt. This one is based on the Peace Lily. So obviously this is not Peace Lily. And here, as you can see, it looks like Peace Lily, but the plant is not actually showing the proper details. The leaf style is okay, but plant is itself does not produce this sort of flower. And I used the same prompt on Qwen, which is chat.qwen.ai, as you can see, and used the same prompt. As you can see, the detail, the sharpness is amazing, but keep watching. At the end, it does something which is not expected. So this video, I did not expect this type of video actually. Finally, the giant company Meta is offering really good quality video. Similarly, animate a ceramic potted ZZ plant in the corner of a living room, cozy sofa, fantastic lighting, and awesome presentation. So here it generated 4 footages, and all of these footages can be used for a short video or for a simple plant presentation. No, this one is not, this is unusual that pillows are falling without having any sort of interaction. So here is a detailed prompt, little bit details actually. So as you can see, it produces really good enhanced quality images, and I really like because the flower, the leaves, the plant, the pot, everything on point. And these are easily useful. So with just one click, anyone can simply download this video and can use their for their own purpose. So in terms of quality and following the proper instruction of the prompt, Meta.ai is the best alternative to Grok right now. I don't know how many images or videos you can produce using this free platform. Still, it's allowing us to produce high quality video. So keep going using Meta AI as an alternative to Grok Imagine. Thank you very much.